Hey everyone, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys some vegan breakfast ideas. They're all super easy and delicious, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting off with this oat milk, it's really filling. You want to start by taking 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats and put that into a microwave safe container along with 2/3 of a cup of water. Just give that a quick mix so that the oats are covered in the water, and then you want to cook that in the microwave for about a total of 2 minutes, but you want to take it out every 30 seconds to give it a quick mix. Once it has finished cooking, go ahead and take some milk of your choice. I use soy milk and just add in a little bit of that to make it creamier. Give that a mix and then you can put it into a bowl of your choice. And then I just took a spoon to flatten out the top. After that, take some brown sugar and sprinkle a little bit of it on to make it sweeter, along with a scoop or two of peanut butter. I also took some cut up bananas and strawberries and just put those on top. It adds some more flavour and texture into this breakfast. And that is literally it. This is so yummy. It's also really filling, so it's totally going to take you through till lunchtime, and it's really fun and easy to make. Moving on to this delicious smoothie, it's definitely the easiest recipe in this video and it's all really easy. You want to start by taking some frozen mango, half a frozen banana and approximately 5 fresh cut up strawberries and put those all into your blender. I just eyeballed the amounts and I've had a lot of practice making smoothies, but it also depends on the size of your cup. Then I just took 1/3 of a cup of breakfast juice to add some more flavour, along with 1/2 of a cup of soy milk, but again you can just use any milk of your choice. Once that is done, blend it all up until it is smooth, and that's literally it. Pour it into any glass of your choice. I also decided to use a metal straw because, you know, save the environment, and it's so delicious. I really love it. It's possibly my favorite smoothie recipe, which really says something. Moving on to these delicious banana and apple muffins. These are great for on the go. Start by taking a cupcake tin and just take your cupcake liners and, you know, fill it out just so that it is ready for later. This recipe should make about 12 different muffins. Moving on to the apples, you want to take 1.5 apples or 1 large apple and just cut them up into smaller pieces. What is awesome about this recipe is you don't have to peel them, so, you know, lazy squad, here we are. The next thing that you want to do is take 1.5 cups of your apple in a separate bowl, which should be the same amount that we just cut up, along with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give that a quick mix and then put it aside to come back to. Moving on to the rest of the batter, take a separate bowl and add in 1/2 a cup of mashed banana. It looks gross, but it tastes good, along with 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/2 a cup of almond milk or a milk of your choice, but almond milk tastes really nice in this recipe. 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil. You might need to melt it in the microwave depending on where you live. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Once you've added all of those into your bowl, go ahead and give that a good mix and we can move on to the other dry ingredients. So in the same bowl, you want to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a sprinkle of salt. Then again, just give that a mix, and once that is fully mixed and you are happy with it, you can go ahead and add in your apples and just fold/mix them in. Once everything is well mixed and you are happy with the consistency, go ahead and scoop all of your batter into the cupcake liners that we put aside before. Again, this recipe should make about 12 medium-sized muffins. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is put this in the oven. Cook it at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 18 minutes. Once they are nice and cooked, you can take them out, and I chose to unwrap them. That is optional, but I just like the way they look unwrapped. Of course, do whatever you like. And that is literally it. These are super yummy, really great to just grab on the go, or just a nice addition along with a piece of toast or something like that. Onto the delicious and aesthetically pleasing corn thins. Start by taking a banana and some strawberries and using a knife, cut that all up into smaller slices. It is up to you what fruit you want to use, but that is what I'm using for this video. Once it's all cut up, you can put that aside and take some corn thins. I use 3, but it is up to you on how much you want to eat. And then you want to take some peanut butter. It's up to you again if you want to use smooth or crunchy. As you can see, this is super versatile. All you want to do is spread this over your corn thins. You don't even have to use peanut butter, it's just an easy, delicious vegan spread. Then once that is done, take your fruit and lay it on top. It is up to you if you want to make it cute or ugly or whatever you want. I tried to make it kind of cute, but I'm pretty sure I failed. It doesn't matter though, because these make a super easy, not to mention delicious breakfast. Okay everyone, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!